This is the solution for sketch number 1, which is a practice. First step, navigate to the course site. The first page that comes up will show all of the learning modules. You click on the appropriate learning module and you will find yourself looking at the readings or the slides or the sketch assignment. Once you get, there are actually several ways to get to the sketch assignment. Once you arrive at the sketch assignment, click on the attachments to get a copy. If you're navigating in Firefox, it will automatically download. In this case, we're in Safari. From here, you can download it by clicking on the Save icon, or print it directly by clicking on the Print icon. It is possible to fulfill the requirements of the sketch assignments using digital tools, although we recommend starting out at least using hand drawing because of the ease and speed with which the assignments seem to be able to be done by hand. So with your sketch exercise printed out, first things first, make sure you write your full name legibly in the space provided and your section number. The instructions call for the drawing of 6 lines of different line weights. I'm going to draw my lightest line first. I'm going to try to use the dots, the pre-printed dots on the page to guide my line. I'm going to draw my heaviest line second so I get a sense of the full range. How heavy of a line can I draw? The 3 ways to make a line heavy: to use a darker lead, to use a wider line, and or to press harder. I would reserve that line weight for section cuts through solid materials. Then I'll draw my medium lines. It's very convenient to get skilled at drawing freehand drawings that still somehow retain precision and accuracy to a certain extent. It is the fastest way to work. The different line weights are very important to distinguish between dimension lines, construction lines, force lines, and then the lines, the heavier lines for physical properties. So there's the exercise, ready to scan. So the next step is to scan your hard copy of the physical assignment. Connect a scanner or use the scanner in the library. You can open the scanning software typically by pressing a button on the scanner or navigating to the driver on your computer and starting it that way. The scanner driver should open and bring you to a window that will permit you to select the mode, the image mode, the format, the resolution, etc. And so we might preview the document. Set the size either by manually setting the size with the dimensions or by changing the outline on the preview screen. Reading the directions, I see that what the assignment calls for is 150 dpi at 8.5 by 11. Grayscale, that's right. Every scanner driver will have a different arrangement, so you'll have to become familiar with yours, but typically it allows you to scan straight to a PDF. If you scan to some other choice, then you may need to open your document in Photoshop to change the format, or some other software that will work that way. It looks like we're set. I choose Scan. A sensible name might be my last name, my first name, and sketch 1. Navigating back to my Blackboard assignment submission page, there's a field for a written submission, which is not part of any of our assignments and should only be used under exceptional circumstances. The thing that we do ask you to use is the Add Attachments feature. So press Add Attachments. Depending on your internet speed, it will bring you sooner or later to the right location. You navigate to where you have stored your assignment and you upload it. I see a successful upload, and then an additional step is to press the Submit button. The server will ask you, Blackboard will ask you if you really intend to submit this assignment, and I really do. And there we have a successful submission of the assignment. When you successfully submit your sketch, it will appear like this when we go to grade it. We will have the opportunity to view your submission. If there is a name, a section number, 6 lines successfully uploaded, then you will get a grade of 10. Good luck.